Study with me the power flow at the telecom sites. So most of the telecom sites, they have transformer. Now for this one, for it doesn't have the transformer, but from always from the transformer or without a transformer, power from the grid comes to the meter box. So as you see the meter for metering, and from the meter box, that same power comes to isolation box. This isolation box, as you see, have circuit breaker. It is for protection, and from isolation box it always comes to generator A. It always comes to generator ATS, but for this case they did not connect it to generator ATS. For this case they connected it to an automatic changeover, as you see. So that means the power from the isolation center plus the power from the generator was connected here to ATS, and then it flows direct to SCDBD. So from SCDBD, as you see, power from ATS. I assume for them they think the power is from ATS, as you see that the behind what it goes to the rectifiers. These wires goes to the rectifier, and that is the rectifier, this bigger thing, and you will always be finding this bigger cabinet on telecom site. So from the rectifier cabinet, that AC, it is always converted from AC to DC negative 48. So, and then it goes to this CDB distribution board. So now here, this is the DC distribution board to the clients. Maybe the client can be Airtel or M10, and those are their servers. So this is gallery. So this gallery, always most of these gallery are found in this rectifier cabinet, but for this case this gallery was connected separate. So I'll take you through to the rectifier cabinet. Someone is working there. So also this one is DC distribution board, and as I told you, power from rectifier, it is always come to the distribution board after being rectified or after being converted from AC to DC and then to the clients. So the clients can be this one is for Airtel, the other one was for M10, and these are their servers, and this is our telecom tower site. So most of when you reach the telecom site, you should always find this at the site. Let me take you through. You always find a transformer from the main, and to be bringing power to the meter for metering. Now for this case we don't have a transformer, and then from the metering box you always find the isolation box for protection, and from the isolation box for protection you always find a generator. Most of the telecommunication site, all the AC power meets in the ATS with the generator power. Now for this case it was connected separately, but most of the case they always connected in that ATS, and then it goes to SC distribution board. So thank you for being